Hey everyone, welcome to Ellis Mowers. I've got a truckload behind me of stuff that my friend from college picked up for me. He picked up a chainsaw, and he messaged me and said this guy's also got a bunch of stuff for $80. You want me to pick it up while I'm there? I said sure. So we're going to take a look at what is all in the back of this truck here coming up. Alright guys, here is the lot. $80 is what this bought me. Some more stuff in the truck. I'll show you that first. Mostly scrap. However, we do have some Echo gas tanks and like scrap for like Echo weed eaters and stuff like that. These are unsalvageable, but you know, few spare Echo parts ahead here and there. Nothing crazy, but there's a Gojo backpack sprayer. I don't know if it's really even worth it. A couple of just other miscellaneous items. Most of that'll be most of it'll be trashed. I don't know if I'll keep the gas tank. It looks like there's 1, 2, maybe 3 good gas tanks. We'll see. Push mower runs on starting fluid. At least that's what I know. I'll see if I can get it a couple of rounds here. Pardon the shakiness on the handheld. Oh, it tried. Anyways, it does run on starting fluid. That should be an easy fix if it's just fuel related or spark with a timing key, something along flywheel key, something like that. All of these work. I sprayed a little bit of carb spray in them. They worked. Just want to make sure they kicked over before I tried to pursue any sort of further happenings with them. Almost all of them will need fuel lines and or a carburetor. Probably both. The 2 Troy Builts are questionable. They tried to kick over, but they didn't really speed up, but I don't know. They may be borderline along with the Poland Pro. Well, no, that actually started up pretty well. So this a couple of interesting things. Got this 31cc Boland's tiller. I haven't taken the star bits off to see if it'll kick over. However, it's got the strongest compression out of all of them right here. This McCulloch leaf vac, great shape. Again, carb and lines, but with the way that you can get carbs now for like $8, that leaf vac will probably bring decent money. Some people like this old McCulloch stuff. Who knows? Even the pour-up seems to be okay on it. A little bit oily, but it doesn't look like it's on the brink of breaking. Again, the tiller, if I get the tiller going, that's probably 60 to 70, maybe a little bit more. People love these little Boland's tillers. Again, a blower. Most of these are like $50 items. I do have, I don't know what type of money a Steel FS36 would bring. However, it is mostly here. I just would have to find a head for it once I got it running. It at least needs a primer bulb and fuel lines, maybe more, who knows. This Featherlight, again, all this just started on starting fluid, and this is a shaft for, I think that's a steel shaft. No, that's an Echo shaft. I got a bunch of Echo shafts and stuff here. I'll have to see what I end up doing with. That's all the good stuff. That's the maybe stuff. I'll get to that in just a second. This is all the bad stuff. It has such little compression, or this little cheap weed eater blower has got the pull rope pulled out of it, so it's not even worth trying to fix. This Craftsman is missing like a, it's missing the plug, and it looks like it has a bunch of rust in the cylinder. I might put a plug in it just to see if it'll run, because this is a newer one, and I have plenty of attachments to go on to these weed eaters. So I might put that over in the maybe pile. The big disappointment was the home light. I'm getting spark and I've got fuel directly into it, but it's not firing. So that is, it's too bad, because I was hoping that home light backpack blower would be good, but it unfortunately is not. The rest of these are either pull ropes pulled out of them mostly, which leads me to believe that they will most likely run, since they probably got parted out because of pull ropes. They will be much further down the line. I have a 4-cycle Troy built back there, which would bring decent money. It's just missing it's actually missing the entire pull rope mechanism on it. So yeah, that's going. One I'm very interested in looking at is the Steel FS90AV. It says electronic on it, so I wonder if that means it has electronic ignition. I will have to see. This is obviously a commercial grade weed eater. I will have to see what this might bring to get back to life, because this is all metal. This isn't, the only thing plastic on this thing is the gas tank and the gas cap and the air filter cover. Everything else is just straight up metal on it. So I want to see what it will take for me to get that going, because that might actually bring quite a bit of money. I don't know. There's y'all are a little bit more 2-cycle experts than I am. Some of y'all, I would be interested to see what y'all have to say about some of these. That would probably make for a great video to see if I could get that back going. Again, all this is bunch of run-of-the-mill stuff. I'll probably just combine a bunch of this into 1 or 2 videos just to see if we could get it going. But that's the lot, guys. $80. The push mower is sold. Well, it's not sold yet, but I get that fixed and sell it for $60. I needed an excuse to go see my friend and his wife anyways, and this was a perfect excuse. So I don't really count. I count this kind of as getting paid to go visit friends. So that's the initial impression. Again, the mower is going to pretty much pay for the lot, and then if I get one of these going, then I'll definitely be in the good. So I appreciate y'all watching. I usually wouldn't pick up something like this, but with the amount of items we got for $80, so we got what, 3 blowers, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 weed eaters, a leaf vac, and a tiller, and a mower. I think, about 30 pieces. I paid like, what, $3 a piece for them, maybe $4 a piece for them whenever you round up. If I put a $10 carb on, if I had to put a $10 carb on all of these and sell them for $50, then, I made $25, $35 an item. Adds up when you have multiple items that potentially could be good. So anyways, let me know what y'all think. I know a lot of y'all don't work on 2 cycles. I don't either. However, I wanted to use this lot to kind of broaden my horizon, so to speak, for future deals if I do end up deciding to take on more repairs. We'll see. But I appreciate y'all watching, and I know y'all like these lot videos, and I'll catch y'all in the next video.